Nested in a small industrial suburb called Bhandup of an overpopulated city of Mumbai is Chandranagar, a housing establishment with over 102 urban poor families. Chandranagar literally means the city of moon, and this little city of moon has a lot of shining stars hidden in tiny homes. Let me introduce you to one such shining star, Rupa Amolik. Rupa is the founder of the Chandranagar Mahila Samajik Sanstha, which works for the empowerment of women from lower socio-economic backgrounds by providing them with tools for financial security to fight poverty and abuse.
We try and encourage each other when somebody comes up with a project idea or product idea. We all come together and we support each other, and also as a strategy we have decided whichever woman comes up with an idea, her own creative idea, we would name that product by her name, and Sangeeta Masala is one such example.
Sangeeta's Ghati Masala is a successful product which can become a successful business venture. The obvious challenges these women face are lack of capital and tapping into the right market. But the biggest hurdle is managing a family at the same time. The grant from Project Inspire will help us set a Masala income fund, which will provide the women with the capital they need and buy equipment. 60% of the grant will be invested in this fund. 30% of the funds will be utilized in training programs. 10% will be allotted to showcase the products through exhibitions. A new training program called Train the Trainer will be initiated. This program will train a core group of 10 women in quality control of products, packaging, sales and marketing, spoken English, and overall personality development to give them the confidence to get orders from corporate canteens, schools and colleges, and even large units like the film sets. These 10 sales representatives will target one order each. Depending upon the volume of the order, the Masala project will directly employ minimum 200 underprivileged women. Profits of the first year of business will be used to refill the amount invested in the Masala fund. This fund will then become a sustainable model, offering personal and professional loans on lower interest rates to the community women. Interest earned from the loans will make the fund stronger and will help the Masala project expand countrywide and in the near future aim at international markets. This is Nikita. She is a full-time nurse. Her job demands her to work long hours and night shifts. With 2 children at home, she finds it very difficult to make ends meet. Nikita is also very artistic and wants to start a small business of art and crafts. Working with the Masala project, Nikita and many others like her can earn a livelihood for their families and start their own businesses to further help 50 to 100 women individually. Even if 20 women from the Masala venture start their small-scale businesses and create employment for 100 women each, in 2 years, we could empower 2,000 women. The Masala project is more than just a livelihood option. For many women in India, it is a chance to change their fate, to have an identity of their own, and a chance to dream.